Hi everyone. Am I audible?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so sorry, there was a little bit delay due to some technical glitch. And
No issue, sir.
No issue, sir. We are waiting.
okay. So we will start in a minute so that when whoever is about to join, let them join. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the format is that this is open session. And hello. I request everyone to mute until unless I ask you to unmute yourself. Okay. So I'll discuss the. Otherwise, I will have to mute everyone, and it's not a good idea. Okay. Okay. So again, I will introduce myself first. This is Rahul Gupta, and I am the course instructor for CT. I have done MTech from IIT Madras. So in this whole course, you are going to see minimum 2 sessions per week. So for week 1, you will get 1 open session and 1 solve with us session. So open session is where you come to the platform and you ask the question and we will answer. In solve with us session, we will come with our question. We will explain that question and take the question from you. So it is the solving with us. Okay, so we will give question, we will give some time when, then you will solve. That is going to happen on Monday. Apart from these 2 sessions, we will have multiple extra sessions on the requirement, on the basis of the requirement. And those sessions will be, the timing for those sessions will be announced 1 day or 2 days before the session. I hope is that it is clear to everyone. Please write yes if it is clear. Okay, thank you everyone. So today we are going to get open session where I will directly take your questions and solve for your question. Okay. For that purpose, we will follow a queue. Whoever has the question, please raise your hand. And one by one, I will ask the name and then ask to unmute yourself. And then we will continue discussing. Okay. Okay. It is Samsung SM821. I would really request everyone to write your name so that it is easier to call. Okay. Otherwise, I will be calling by this name. Okay, give me a second, guys, and we will be ready with the portal and everything so that we can explain the question. Okay, I hope we have got sufficient number of students who are here. So, yeah, go on. Samsung SM817F.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. May I know your name?
My name is Arya Sinha.
Arya Sinha. Where are you from, Arya?
I'm from Bihar.
Okay. Which are you in 12th class?
No, I have passed and I am right now in graduation.
Okay, so which year?
Second.
So it's engineering or other domain?
No, other, I'm pursuing BA from History Honors.
Okay, super. So what's your question, Arya?
Sir, I have a doubt, actually a confusion in string and character. I'm not understanding the real difference between the two.
Okay, Arya. So tell me one thing. Okay, 1 minute. Tell me, this white paper is visible to you or not?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, Arya. So your name is Arya, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I take a variable which is A and it is initialized with Arya. Okay.
Hmm.
So what is the data type of A?
I guess it is character.
It is a string. It is a string. Okay.
Okay.
So why it is a string? There are two reasons. So, I currently there is no difference, but in the ancient time, actually boys were having short hair and girls were having long hair, right?
Yeah.
So if the by seeing from a distance, you can even recognize who is boy or girl, right?
Yeah, right.
And similarly, here into the computational thing, if it is double quote, then it is string. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is lookwise, and the concept here is that the combination of combination of
Characters.
characters is actually called string. Okay. So A equal to Arya is a string. A equal to Aya is also in string. A equal to A is a character. B equal to R is also a character. C equal to Y is a character. Is that clear?
So are you telling that if there is one particular letter, then it is character, and group of letters, then it is a string?
Yeah, there is a twist, but till now you remember this. Okay.
Okay.
So, but if I write this X equal to A, then what it is? String or character?
Character. Oh,
Character. But what did I tell you? I told if it is having two double quote, then it is a string, right?
yeah.
So it is a string, but why it is a string? Let me explain. That I am saying combination of characters, right?
Yeah, right.
It is having one combination only. It is not being combined to anything. So it is being combined with this A, and this is empty string. Okay.
Okay.
So empty string, don't get confused right now. If you don't know, empty string is there is nothing, but it is a string data type. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is, yes, tell me.
In one of the activity questions, there was written that list of names are string.
List of names. Okay, list of names. So every name is a string, correct?
Okay.
Okay. Is
And,
it?
and one more thing, it is said in the lectures that if we talk about the gender, means male or female, it is Boolean type, but also character. So can you explain this?
No, it is not Boolean type. Okay. It is character. Boolean type is only true and false. Okay, Boolean is only true and false. True and false. And nothing else is Boolean. Okay. Right now you just know, because we are not going to use true and false as a string, but gender will be M and F. Okay. So this is a character. You cannot write true like this and say it is a Boolean. Then it is a string. Okay.
Okay.
Because it is inside the double quote.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so everyone, if anyone has any issue with this particular problem, not next problem, not new problem, with this particular problem, let me know, write into the chat and I'll reply. So if they write your just yes or no, if anyone has issue with this question. This kind of still have doubt in string and character right now. Or if not, then we will move. Okay, Harsh. Okay, so Harsh, where are you? Okay, so I will take Harsh call. Harsh, can you raise your hand? Yeah, you have raised your hand. Yeah, Harsh, tell me what is the issue?
Yeah. So actually, in lectures, we taught the characters where characters are used. This will call a
Sorry, Harsh, we are not able to
this
hear.
thing can be and comma.
Harsh, we are not able to hear you. There is a problem on your side.
Like, so in special characters only.
Sorry, Harsh, we are not
Hello.
able to hear you. Yeah, now you are clear. Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, we'll take next question. Harsh, whenever your mic is okay, then we can talk. Okay, so the next question is from Janab. Janab, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I am unable to access Discourse forum for the city.
Discourse, you are a qualifier student, right? You have taken.
Yes, sir. I have qualified in the September term last year.
Okay, so you are not able to open the Discourse. You should write to the support ID.
Sir, yes, sir. I have written, but there has been no reply till now.
Okay, so give me your email ID and I'll forward it. Go
The
to the
student
chat.
email ID or the normal email ID? Sir?
No, student email ID. Go to the chat and click not to everyone. Send to
Okay,
me.
sir.
So
Okay, sir.
my name must be visible there.
Yes, sir.
So you share there and I'll take it forward.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so that's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Zainab, and next question is from Sayan. Yeah, Sayan, go on.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Sayan.
Sir, my question is about the sanity. So, hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Madam, I didn't get your email ID yet. So
Okay, sir. My question is about sanity of data.
Okay. Tell me, what is your question?
So should I continue?
Yeah,
So,
you
sir,
should-
my question is on sanity of data. I mean,
that
the
I
basic is
got.
totally clear, but one. Sanity of data.
I got that sanity of data. What do you want to ask about that?
Okay. Okay, sir. So one thing is like bothering me. Like, let's say it's countable thing or weight. So it can have like we can assign the value. I mean, whenever we are assigning the value, I mean, countable thing or weight kind of anything, like in integer data type, let's say. So any integer data type, we can just assign the value to something minus. Let's say for calculating or getting like maximum marks in any subject. So we put like a large value and then we just calculate. And
Okay.
for maximum value, we just try to put like assign the lowest value. So in that case, we can put like -1, -2, any value, right? So let's say there is something like weight of something. So in that case, if it's assignment, so in that case, I mean, for iteration purpose, if the value is like we are trying to calculate the maximum weight of something, so in that case we can assign like minus something value integer type. But the point is it the normal abbreviation for that? I mean, normal notation for that? I mean, let's say there is a chart of data. So in that, like, let's say weight is -5. So that is like an issue, right? It's an error in that case. If it's
So
defined like that.
let me tell you one thing that
5
you are
kilos
trying.
of apple, it's like -5.
I got
If
your
it's
point.
-5. Mhm.
I got your point, and let me tell you that you are trying to ask a question which is in graded assignment.
Okay.
Which is not, I'm supposed to not explain the graded assignment, but I will explain in other way. Okay. So,
Oh, yeah. Sir. I'm never asking you to just, like, give it give the answer.
so Sayan, this is what happens. Okay. So there are two things, which one is data and one is variable. Okay. So everything given in the card is data. Okay. So there is no initialization or assignment. Or assignment. Nothing is there, right? So we cannot talk about the whatever it is minus plus. So I hope you understand that here the value should be what it is, right? In variable, only data type matters. Only
Exactly.
only data type matters. Okay. So if I'm talking about marks is what data?
Only data types.
Integer. And if you take minus, that is fine. You will get the
Integer.
correct answer, right? But there is one condition that at least one iteration.
Okay, sir.
Correct. So these two are totally different. So sanity of data comes here, and
yes, sir.
the invalid assignment or anything comes here. Okay? Is it clear, Sam?
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, thanks, Sam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
Sam, you are from West Bengal, right?
Hello, what?
You are from West Bengal.
Yes, sir. We have met before. I mean, in September 2022. Yes, sir.
Okay, we have met.
I am.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, so anyone else have doubts?
Yes, sir. We have met in the. I mean, I did ask you a question last time.
Okay. So anyone else has the same doubt? Anything left in this question? Please reply to me. Harsh, what is your issue here? 8 means what? You are talking about any question? I'll come to you, Harsh, when your turn come, okay? I think Janab is done. Janab, please low. Okay, sir, I'll lower your hand. Sarfraz.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. Where are you from, Sarfraz?
Sir, my doubt is I am from Haryana, from close to Jirka.
Okay, so what is your doubt?
Sir, what is difference between iteration and filtering? These are both terms. These terms both are semi different.
Okay, so Sarfraz, okay, so let me take a weird example here. Okay, so rather than weird, okay, let's check. Let's see. You are throwing a party with your friends. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you are supposed to pass the chips packets. Okay.
Okay.
Did you understand? You are supposed to pass the chips packet, and chips are kept like one by one. Okay, one chips, another chips, then the third chips, then the fourth chips. Did you understand what is I'm talking about? So it is
Yes,
one
sir.
pile. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you are
Yes, sir.
supposed to pass the chips to your friends. Okay. But your
Yes, sir.
friends are kind of sophisticated that they only take those flavor which they like. Okay. So,
Okay.
so they are not going to take any kind of chips. They are stick to a flavor. So if I am a person, I am your friend. If I am a friend, will you give me the chips?
Yes, sir. Which
Okay.
flavor you like?
Yeah, yeah. So suppose you take a chips and see it is a mint or it is a onion flavor, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you are giving it to the friend X. Then you are taking it. Then it is a chili flavor. Then you are giving to the Y, kind of. Okay. So what are you trying? You are
Yes, sir.
picking the chips and filtering it. What are you doing?
Filtering it.
You are taking a chips and okay, let's break this problem into statement. You are picking a chips and giving it to someone. Then you are picking a chips and giving it to someone. So this is iteration, okay? So iteration is what?
Yes, sir.
Performing an operation step by step, okay? So
Yes, sir.
same process is being happen whenever you are giving someone. You are putting your hand into the box. You are taking it up and then giving to someone. Then you are putting your hand into the box and then picking it up and then giving to someone, right? Every time you are doing this, so you are repeating it. What are you doing?
Repeating.
So repeating it means what? It is being iterative. It is called
Iteration.
okay. So picking and giving is iteration. But before that, you are doing something. What are you doing? You are checking the flavor. What are you doing?
Checking the flavor. Okay, sir.
Checking the flavor.
Understood.
What is that? That is filtration.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so don't replace my example with wines, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So should we go? Sarfraz, is it over? Does anyone have any issue with iteration and filtration yet? So you can ask me into the chat. I will unmute you. If it is clear, then we will move to the next person. So Sarfraz, I hope you are you understood, correct? Okay. Okay, so I hope this question is clear, and we will move to the next person, which is admin. Who is admin? Admin?
Hi, sir. Actually, my name is Yatharth. So, hello. Am I audible, sir?
People will get confused. They will send you the message to you if they want something. Okay.
Yeah. So my query is with the
No,
earlier question.
you are going to change your name. First, please change your name.
Next time I will change. But for now, so my question is, what if we do A equals to double quotation in name. It's my name, Y double quotation comma A double quotation. What will be the data type of that?
Okay, 1 minute. I got very confused. So tell me, what should I write?
So A equals to
Huh?
my name is Yatharth. So double quotation A. Oh, sorry, Y.
Yatharth. I hope my spelling.
Yeah, perfect. So if I do if I split this character by character, letter by letter, so what will be the data type of that?
Okay, so here is the one issue. How will you split?
I mean, if we do quotation Y comma.
Okay, so for I, okay. So if I
comma,
go for left, okay, I will for not I. I mean, these are the two behind. Okay, so suppose you are going to break it character letter by letter, then it will be character.
Yeah.
It will be character, but you cannot add Y plus A. Okay.
No, I'm saying if we split them with a comma and assign that to A.
It will be a character. In week 2, you will find in week 2 or week 3, you will find that you are going letter by letter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will be a character. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Anything else, Yatarth?
No, sir. I just said that question.
Okay, hope it is okay. Then we can move
Yeah, I
ahead.
will change. I will change this name, by the
Okay,
way.
thank you very much. Okay, Harsh. Harsh. Harsh,
Yes,
you can unmute yourself. Harsh, are you there?
yes.
Yeah, tell me what is your doubt now?
So in the lecture, the professor said that for real numbers, there is data type called float.
Come again, please.
So for real numbers, there is a data type called float.
Correct.
But sir, after that, in the lecture, it was there that we, in this course, we will deal with numbers having up to 2 decimal places. So we will multiply by 100 and then use it.
So that is a simple thing, man. Simple thing is that if you want to use
So sir,
a
the up to 2 decimal numbers are not considered in float.
no, it is float. Okay, so what professor is trying to say, if a equal to 100.55, okay, so this is a float data type. What is that? Float data type, right? Harsh. Okay, so what professors are trying to say, make it a equal to a into 100. It will become 100.55. Okay, so whatever the operations you want to do is that you want to check if 100.55 is less than the current value. Okay, current value. Okay, whatever the current value is. So this is the current variable. It will again will be the same if you check 100.55 is less than the current. Then current will be float. Okay. Am I audible? Everyone? Okay, so the thing is that whatever your operation going to perform, both should be in the same data type. So if you are using current as integer, then your a should be integer. That is why you need to make this. If your current, which is you are taking a variable for comparison, is float, then a should be float. That is what, nothing else. Okay. So you can convert it, and I'm making sure that this will not be a problem in further course, that you're not going to lose marks with these things. Okay. So it is just a making a comfortable to ourselves with the flow, nothing else. Okay. Next question, Vijay. Vijay, why? Vijay, are you there? Vijay, what happened here? Vijay. Okay, I think Srini are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rini. Go on. What is
Sir,
your doubt?
Sir, in the practice session, the questions are given, right, sir? So
Hmm.
in the question, it is given from the scores data set or from the shopping bill data set, sir. And the questions are like, which is greater than or something like that. So data sets are not given in the question. We have to,
Srini, don't blame us. Huh? You have not read everything properly and you are saying that we have not given the data set. Huh?
okay, sir, in the videos.
Okay, so this is the portal. You can access, right?
Okay, sir.
And you are going into the practice assignment.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the practice assignment. It is written that click here to view the data set. I'm clicking, I'm going to the data set. Scores data set. Okay, here is the scores data set.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is another way. Second, one way is that you can save your link for always. Common data set. Whenever I'm asking a question, you click here. You go here, so you can download each and everything and keep locally into the system.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So don't-
Actually, when I was clicking that time, I did not get so only, sir. Maybe I haven't tried properly. Sorry,
click
sir.
on when you put on the cursor, put your cursor here. Whatever is being blue, you click that.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Okay. Okay.
Garima.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Garima, you are audible.
Sir, practice. Sorry, activity 8, question number 8.
Okay. Can you please come again? Which activity?
8, 8.
1.8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and which question?
Question number second.
Second.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Which of the following operations on a variable of the data type do not make sense? It is a multiple select question. Okay, so what is your answer, Garima?
Sir, I have a doubt why division is not making sense. We divide for taking average of marks, right?
Okay, my question is that why addition makes sense?
Because if we want total sum of all the students' marks, so addition makes sense.
What will you get by doing some?
We can take average if we add all the marks and divide by number of students.
Somehow addition is making sense, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, subtraction is making sense when you try to find the mentorship. Whoever has more marks can mentor to the second lower marks student, correct?
Yes, sir.
What about multiplication? What will you get by multiplying two students?
Nothing.
Okay, why division? What will you get dividing one student's marks with the other student?
No, sir. I'm just saying that if we want to take average, then we divide the marks data type.
Here you are not dividing by marks, you are dividing by number of students. Don't forget that.
Okay. I got it.
Okay, so there is no, it is a possible operation you can perform, but it doesn't make sense, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope it is clear, Garima.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Jessica.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have a doubt in 2 questions.
Okay.
So one of them is activity question 1.7.
Okay.
Question number 4.
Go one by one. 1.7 question number 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, so state whether the following statement is true. A variable data type doesn't contain the operation. Okay, sorry, constrain the operation that can be performed on it. What is your answer?
So what does it mean? I do not understand. What does it mean?
Okay.
I marked true.
Okay, got it. Okay, so let's take operation division. Okay. Can you divide your name by 5?
No,
Why?
because name is a string and 5 is a numeric.
So there is a problem. Constraint that what operation you can perform.
Yes, yes.
For example, again I will take addition. Take addition. Add your name and some other name. What does it make any sense?
No, it does not make.
Okay. So that is another problem. So integers if you are taking, okay. So there is a word called concatenation, okay, concatenation. Concatenation will come later into the
Yes,
course.
sir, I know about.
So there is no you can't concatenate two integers, correct? 5 and 5, if you concatenate, it will become 55. I mean, it will not be any, it will not make any sense because it will not become either 55 or something. There is no use of concatenation, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it is the operations are related to the data type, right?
Yes, sir. Got
So
it, sir.
there is only one operation which actually makes sense for the data type, that can be performed with every data type, which is the equality sign, okay, checking equal. But in that also variable should be of the same data type, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope
Sir,
it is clear.
Sir, can I ask one more question?
Which
So,
question?
but the remaining meeting time shows 1 minute only.
What?
Remaining meeting time shows 1 minute only.
I don't know what is going to happen. Okay, you asked the question. I have already informed that.
Okay. Okay. The question is from activity 1.9, question number 1.
1.9, question number 1. If the date is transformed, what is your issue here?
Sir, can I ask how I approach this question?
So if date is transformed to a subdata type integer data type using the method mentioned in the lecture, what would be the value of 15th August in a non-leap year? Okay. So here is the things. I am not sure which one is used. So I'll give you the general example here. That okay. So if I take 1 January equal to 1, 2 January equal to 2, then 31 January will become 31, right? 1 February will become 32.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so by that way, what will be the value of 15th August? Okay. And you are supposed to take the non-leap year, which is 29. You are not supposed to take in February. Or it can be start with 1 January equal to 0. Then 2 January will become 1. 3 January will become 2. Okay. So you need to check what is given through the solution provided by us.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I go to the solution, but I can't understand.
Okay. So what did you not understand?
What did the question saying? That is the problem. That is step number 5, 6, and 7. I don't know what.
Okay, practice assignment.
1, question number.
Eight, right? Question number 8, correct?
Yes.
Okay, the following pseudocode is executed using the words dataset. What will count represent at the end of the execution? Okay. So Okay, so where let's go to okay, so question number 8, you are saying that you are not getting that part of it. Okay. Suppose what are the words that what is the words data set? First tell me. What is the words data set?
What's data set?
What properties does it have?
I mean, like data set string.
Okay, so what's data set has words, right? So it is like it was a Monday morning, okay? So every word is a card, okay, correct? And this card has three things: one, row number; second, letter count; fourth, a third, what is that?
Parts of the speech.
Part of
And
speech.
one more serial number, I think.
That is row number. That is card number or row number, okay?
Card number. Okay.
So row number is not right now. Row number will introduce from week 2. So it is card number, okay? Letter count is there. Part of speech, and other is itself. It is a word, right?
Word, yes.
So these are the 4 features we have with one card. Okay. So what am I going to do? I will take a sentence. What will I take? Take a sentence which is
पैक कर देना ऊपर निकल या फिर ढक्कन से लगा के
मैंने कुछ नहीं पहना मेरे को एक बात
म्यूट कर लो ना.
okay. What is your name? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have written. Hello.
Actually, my name is Vikas. I don't know why.
Okay, so you should change your name, right?
I haven't make account on.
Okay. So suppose we are taking a sentence for words which is it was a Monday morning. Okay. So arrange all cards in a pile 1, which is every word is the card, right?
Okay.
Initialize a variable a and count 0. A equal to 0, count equal to 0. If pile 1 is empty, then stop the iteration. Is pile 1 empty? We have 5 words, right now. So it is not empty, correct?
Yes.
Okay, read the top card in pile. What is top card? This is it. If the word is Monday, is the word Monday?
No.
No. And a equal to 0. So this is false, right?
At
Correct.
A equals to 0, it is Monday. So then this is false, right?
If this is false, a equal to 0, this is true, correct? So if two statements are given and it is connected with word and, right? What is the connection word? And means to make this true, both should be true. Okay. If any one is false, then whole statement will become false. Do you understand?
Repeat once.
Okay, so if your father asks, not father, this will not be okay. Simple thing. Simple thing is that okay, so you want to buy a shirt, okay? Understood? But your preference is that it should have a cap, it should have a cap, and it should be in red color, okay?
Okay.
So if you get a shirt which is having cap but not red, will you buy?
No.
No. So one condition is false, then total false, right?
Okay.
One shirt you got which is not having cap, but it is red. So again, one condition is false, then you are not taking the shirt, right?
Right.
So both should be true to make it true. So until unless you get both correct, then you will get. So that is why it is connected with and, okay? So this is connected with and. Now you can say that I want a shirt which either has a cap or it is in red color, okay? So cap and red, not red, you will buy it, okay? Because it is satisfying at least one condition, correct? And not cap and red, you will buy it. And if it is having cap and red, then also you will buy it, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So this means if R, then if anything is true, then it is totally true. If it is connected with word and, then everything should be true, make it true, right? Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I hope this is we are saying that for word it we are not going to increment A, correct? Because this condition is increment A, it will be done when these two statements both are true, right?
Right.
Okay, if the word ends with a full stop and A is greater than 0, okay? Is the word ends with a full stop? We are talking about this word, right? Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible? Vikas? Okay, thanks, Abhishek. Vikas, where are you?
Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Actually, you have muted everybody. So
No, okay. Okay, so I hope this is clear, right? This is not being ended with full stop, right?
right.
So I'm not going to enter into this. So I'm not going to increment count also. Is that clear?
Yes, yeah.
Next thing is that the word ends with a full stop and then reinitialize A equal to 0. Again, this is not going to be happening, right? Because we have the word is not ending with a full stop. So move the current card to another file and repeat from step 3. Now it is passed and we are at was, correct? And in this, we did not increment A, neither we incremented count. Is that clear?
Okay.
So this is was, and the same thing will happen because it is not Monday and it is not ending with a full stop and it is not. And so it is not ending with a full stop. That side was we will not be do anything. Or was is will also go to the file 2 and we will move to A part. This is also the same thing. Is that right?
Yeah, right.
Now we will not do anything, but when we reach to the word Monday, right?
Monday, yes. Yeah.
So it is Monday, correct? And A equal to 0, is that right?
Yes, right.
It is Monday and A equal to
0. Okay. It is correct.
0. So what will happen?
A increment.
A equal to A plus 1, which is A equal to 1, right? Word ends with a full stop or not?
No.
No. Word ends with a no. So we will move to the step 2, step 8 and then step 3. So Monday is out now. Is that clear?
Yeah, clear.
We are now currently at morning word.
Morning.
So is it the Monday word?
No.
So this will not go. It is the word ending with full stop.
Yes, it is the word using it full stop.
Okay, so one statement is correct. Is A greater than 0?
Yes, it is greater than 0.
So we are incrementing count also, right?
Yes.
Count plus 1, which means count is becoming 1. Move the current card to another pile, and we will make A to 0 again, right? Because it is ending with a full stop. Is that right?
Right.
So move the current card to the pile. What is the count? When count incremented?
What?
Count is being incremented for a sentence. Is that clear? First thing.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah, right.
And count is being incremented when A is greater than 0. Is that clear?
Yeah, clear. Yeah.
If A is greater than 0 means the sentence has word Monday. Is that also clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so let me repeat. Count is being incremented when A is greater than 0, and it is being incremented one time for one sentence. Is that right? If A is not greater than 0, then count will not increment, which means count is counting the number of sentences. Is that clear right now?
Yeah, clear.
It is being incremented at the end of words, but there is another condition. It is counting the number of sentences, but when A is greater than 0. When A is greater than 0, when the word when the sentence has a word Monday. Is that right? Clear?
Clear.
So number of sentences that have the word Monday only once, and the word has at least one. Which one is correct? Which one is correct?
Number of sentences that have at least one.
At least one, because if suppose our sentence has 2, then it will become 2, but it doesn't matter. It is only checking A greater than 0, right? So it doesn't matter it is 2 or 3 or 4. At least one. कम से कम एक होना चाहिए. At least one, right? So at least one word which is Monday, right? So I think this is wrong and this will be correct. Is that right? So, Vikas, is this clear?
Yeah, clear.
Anyone else have doubt in this question?
One more question. Question number 11.
Okay, I'll come to there. Anyone has doubt in this question? Please write into the chat if you have any doubt in this question, or I will move to the question number next. Okay, so Vikas, I think what is the question number 11? I mean, it might make help to you. Okay, this is a different thing. Okay. So we are taking 3 variables, right? What we are taking? Because you are again muted. Okay, so we are taking 3 variables, right?
Yes.
And 3 variables are 3 distinct integer. Distinct means
Yes,
A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Anything is not equal to any 2 of not equal to, right? So all the numbers are different, distinct. Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
So if I take A equal to 3, B equal to 9, and C equal to 5, then these are distinct, okay? Okay, now let's take so first time what I am checking A is greater than B, right?
Actually, can you take any integer, 3 integers for this?
We will come to that part. We will come to that part. You will only solve with this, no issues. A is greater than B. If it is yes, okay, this has 2 things, A yes and no. Is that clear?
Yes, clear.
So if A is greater than A, so I'll come here, okay? Is that right?
Yeah, right.
Now I am checking C is greater than A. So this side A is greater than B. Is that clear?
Yeah, clear.
And this side, if false, then B is greater than A. Is that clear?
Clear.
Because distinct, right? If A is not greater than B, then B is greater than A. Correct? I'm here. Please remember this. I'm now at this step. It is checking C is greater than A. What do you mean by? We will take again two lines, right? This is C is greater than A and this is A is greater than C. Is that correct? Okay. So if I combine these two statements, then what will happen? A is greater than B and C is greater than A. I can write it C is greater than A and A is greater than B. Is that correct or not?
Correct.
Okay, then X is equal to A. What is A? X?
A must be, I think, C.
Middle number. Right? Here is the value, right? I'm combining this, I'm getting this result. Is that clear? I came from here and then I checked here and this I'm here. I hope it is clear, right? Okay, now let's take this one. If it is suppose this is false, then what will happen? We will check this one, right? Because this is the top condition and this is the second condition. Is that right?
Right.
So it is A greater than B and A greater than C. Is that right?
C.
Clear? So A is the greatest number, but we don't know what is the relation between B and C. Is that right? Clear cut is written. I hope you understand. Now I'm checking C is greater than B. C is
Greater than B.
I know A is greater than C, then I can write this. What is this? X equal to C, right? Yes part, it is saying X equal to C. C is the middle number. Is that right? Again. If I go in this side, what? If I go in this side, this means B is greater than C, correct? And you know top condition, which is A is greater than B. So A is greater than B. What is X? X is B. If X is B, then this means middle again, correct? You can check this part also, and you will get the same answer. Let's take another example with number. So you understand we are getting X as middle number in every case, correct? Okay, so I will take one example. A equal to 9, B equal to 7, and C equal to 5. Okay. I told the middle one is which? C. So I should get X equal to 5. Is that right?
Right.
Okay, so this is what I will get. Let's check them. Okay, A is greater than B. Is that correct?
Correct.
So I will move here. C is greater than A. Is that correct?
No.
I will come here, this side. C is greater than B?
No.
No. So X equal to B. Oh, we make any mistake? A is greater than B, yes, right? C is greater than A? No.
No.
C is greater than B?
C
No.
is greater than B. No.
Yeah, X equal to B, which is middle one, right? I wrote wrong last time. It should not store 5, it should store 7, right? Middle one is the 7. Is that right? Clear? It is getting the middle number. Let's change the number and make C equal to 7 and B equal to 5, right? Then we will check. Is A greater than B?
Yeah.
Okay. Is A greater than B?
Yeah. Right.
C greater than A?
C greater than A.
No.
No.
C greater than B?
C greater than yes.
So X equal to C. C is the middle, right?
Middle.
You will say that sir is going to follow only A greater than B. Let's make another example, which is this one is now 11 and A is 9. Okay. A greater than B or not?
No.
C greater than B or not?
No.
No. C greater than A or not?
Yes. No.
Oh. X equal to C. C is the middle one, right? No. We make a mistake. C is less than A, man, not greater. So condition is yes. So we'll move here, right? Correct? So x equal to a. What is a? A is the middle number. So middle is the second largest or second smallest. Both are fine. Okay.
Yes, I got it.
I hope this question was clear to everyone, and this is one important question. So please give your attention to this question. I hope. Fine. Anyone has doubt in this question? Pranjali, you wanted to repeat it? Pranjali, please raise your hand. I will. Pranjali, please raise your hand. Pranjali, want it to be repeated? Please raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll move to next question. Okay. Pranab, yes, Samantha.
Yes, sir. I had doubt in the question number 11. Now it is clear.
Okay. Pranjali, you want it to be repeated? Please raise your hand. I need to unmute yourself. Pranjali, please unmute yourself. I mean, yeah, if you want to discuss it. Because I'm not going to repeat directly, only I will speak. That doesn't make any sense. You can go and check the recording. Okay, I think Pratham Khanna.
Good
Pratham,
evening, sir.
good evening. Oh,
Uh,
congratulations. Okay.
Sir, I don't have any doubt in a particular question. I have a general query.
Yes.
Sir, is there any system of attendance in this live sessions, or do we have to attend only when we have doubts?
So there is no system of attendance. Whenever you want, you can attend this live session.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Raj Deepak. Raj Deepak.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have doubt in exercise 1.4.
Okay. Which question?
In question number 3.
A start block in a flowchart is represented by the following flowchart symbols. Which one you think? Rajdeepak, which one you think?
Sir, give me a second, sir.
Yeah, take your time.
Sorry, sir, it was 1.7 and question number 3, 1.7.
In this course data set, what is the data type of the variable used to store the physics marks of the student? What is the data type according to you, Rajdeep?
So according to me, it should be character, na? Because it is saying that store the physics marks. So we store the physics marks in marks section, MARKX. So it is character, na?
You are storing a marks in character. How?
So here mentioned that variable used to store the physics marks, where we store the physics marks in marks
It
section.
doesn't matter the physics marks, math marks, or any marks. Marks is what?
But sir, there is mentions that stores where we store the marks.
Yes, where are we
In
storing?
marks column.
Marks column. So every name is a string, right?
Yes.
We are not storing in name. Marks is not the name. It's the field. And every mark is a integer data type. So whenever you use a variable, what is the data type of that variable to store the physics marks?
Okay, sir, I get it, sir. I thought that column was marked, so it was.
Okay. If I use to store the subject name, right?
Yes.
Subject name is what? Physics, math, chemistry. It is a string, right?
Okay.
So we will use string, correct?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Next question is from Jessica again.
Yes, sir. Can you come again, please? 1.9 activity 1.9 question number 1.
Okay.
That time I don't get it.
No. So it is saying that we have to assign a number to every date. Okay. So 1st January, what do you want to give?
1.
30th January?
30.
31, right?
31. There.
Okay, 31.
Sir, the 1st January should be 0, no?
Why?
Yeah.
Because in the lecture, sir told that we should start with 0.
Sir had mentioned
Yes, so that we will take care of later. Okay, so if according to lecture you are going, it will become 0 and it will become
30.
30, right? Both are fine. So answer will be given as the lecture. I'm just telling the logic. Okay. Then what will be 28? 31 plus 28, right? 9, 40, 59. So 59 and 58, correct? So if you are following this system, then it will be 59. If you are following the lecture system, this is this. Okay. So let's follow now the lecture system. That will be great. So 59. Is that clear, everyone? Jessica.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, non-leap year. So we cannot go to the 29th Feb, right? What will the 1st March?
59.
59. What will be 31st March?
59 plus 31.
39, 31
6, 90, 90.
59 plus 30 or 31?
31. I guess.
But you are taking from 1.
30, right.
So it will be 81, right?
81.
59 plus 30, 89, right? 89. Okay. Now 1st April, 90 and 30th April, 119, right? So 1st May, 120.
120.
31st May,
150.
150. 30th June,
180.
30th June is 150, 180. What about the 31st July?
221. No, 212. 211.
So what about 1 August? 15 August? 6?
226.
What is the answer?
It
Is
is
it?
the answer, sir.
Did you get Jessica now? So we are counting the number of day with every date, okay? So every
Okay,
date is
okay.
being replaced by one number, and number is in the sequence of the date, right?
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay.
Sir, please one more.
Okay, which one?
Sir, activity question 1.3, question number 3. Sir, I want to know what is the difference between these two options.
Okay, so consider the following variables: boy count, girl count, boy sum, and girl sum. They have the same meaning as used in the lecture. What is the boy sum and boy count or boy? Can you tell me?
Sir, the total number of count.
That understood. What is the boy sum?
Total number of sum of marks of boys only.
Correct. Okay, okay, got it. So the first option is saying that first we will sum and divide. What is that? Sorry. Okay, so okay, so first option is boy sum divided by boy count. Okay, so and then we are doing plus girl sum and then girl count. Is that right?
No, sir. I think that is not it.
It should be right, sir.
This is what I have. This is the same, right? Yeah.
So
Okay.
the
Now,
first option gives us the amount of
oh, this is the first
single
option.
boys average and the single girls average. But
Okay.
the second option gave us total average of the boys and girls.
Okay. Okay. Let me explain. Okay. So this is saying that okay, what we do for average, total sum divided by total count. Is that right? This is what formula we know, na? Jessica, is that clear? Jessica.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So this is somehow is boy average marks. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And this is girls average mark, right? Second option,
Yes.
boy sum plus girl sum, right? Divide by boy count plus girl count. Is that clear? So this is the second option. Boy sum means what? Sum of the marks of boys and the sum of the marks of girls. What will it give? Total sum. Is that right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this will be total count. Is that
Yes,
clear?
true.
This is the total average. Total average of the class, right? Average of class. Is that clear?
Okay, clear.
This is another thing which we don't have any name for this. So what is the question?
They ask the total average of the class.
So the question is that which of the following statements express average of mathematics marks obtained by all students in the data set? All means total, right? So I will have to take the total marks in mathematics and then divide by total number of students. Is that clear? So second option will be correct.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I think next person is Abdul Hadi.
Sir, I have a doubt in graded assignment. I'm not asking the answer, but I just want to clear that one.
What is the problem? Tell me.
Graded assignment flag.
Yeah,
flag one question.
Which
Question
question?
number 6.
What is the question there? What is the issue with you?
So I didn't understand about.
So if you are not yet understanding the question, that I can't help with you in understanding. If anything is okay, so let me check what are you talking. Okay, what is your problem here?
Flag question number 6 or 7. Just
okay, so it's 4, 5. Flag is just a variable, nothing else.
what,
So
sir?
flag is just a variable, nothing else.
Flag is just a variable.
Yeah, name of the variable is flag.
Oh,
Like count is a variable, I can use counter as a variable, I can use Rahul as a variable, you can use Abdul as a variable. So I used flag as a variable, right?
oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And Namita.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have the same doubt in practice assignment 1, question number 11 that you just now explained. I came to the answer that it should be a mean of A, B, and C. If we calculate with some sample numbers, it comes out to be a mean. So I selected that option. I'm not sure why. This is also correct, second largest number among A, B, and C. But I felt mean of A, B, and C is also correct.
How can you say that both are correct?
Yeah, that's what. So
How
I'm
can you
not
say
understanding.
Okay, so you are understanding, but in a different way. That's what you are going to explain me. How did you understand that it is giving me? Okay, so tell me which number should I take?
Anything that the example that you took, sir, 975 that you explained just now.
And what should I do then?
So like here, if we calculate the mean, it will be 23.
No. You are going to explain me how did you get the mean here. So follow this procedure and tell me.
No, I will not get mean.
I told how to get the
Yeah.
what is giving, right?
Right.
You're not telling me how you are getting mean.
Yeah. That's right. With the flowchart, I will definitely not get mean.
So I am asking the question with the flow chart only.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So mean is not the middle number always. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So middle number is something this. Okay. Middle number you can tell.
Yes.
It is called median.
Correct.
Okay. So mean is what? I will add this.
Yeah.
21
divided by yes.
I will get 7, which is the correct answer right now.
Yes.
Okay. 6 if I take 6.33.
Yeah, but then if we consider it as integer.
Don't try don't try to make yourself right always.
Okay, sure. Yes, sir. So with flowchart, it is definitely second largest number among A, B, and C.
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you, sir. That's it.
Pranjali.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you wanted to repeat this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you are going to tell me how to do this question.
Sir, actually, I don't understand the conditions of these questions.
You will solve this question and will help you. Okay. So A is again 9, B is 5, and C is 7. Okay. Now you are going to start. This is where we are going to start, right? And
yes, sir.
You are at this place. This is your starting point. Now you are supposed to walk. So you came here and you find 2 paths. Okay. Now you are at P point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
From T point, either you will go left or either you will go right. I don't know which is left, which is right. Okay, so I am sitting here, I will say this is right, this is left. Okay. So at this point, you are supposed to decide where to go. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For example, if you know that if I go this way, I will get chow mein, and this will I'll get momos. So depending on your satisfactory, you will take the turn. So the condition here is given. The condition told here, right? This is the condition. With this condition, you are supposed to take the either left or right route. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the condition here?
So A is greater than B.
Now you go back and check what is the right thing. Is A greater than B or not?
Yes, sir. It's greater.
A is greater than B, correct?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? This one is yes, correct? So which
Yes,
route
sir.
you are going to take? Left route.
Okay, sir.
Now you are here now. Okay.
Okay.
What does this saying? Again, you are at a T point. What is saying to check?
It says C is greater than A.
C is greater than A or not?
No, sir.
No, means you are taking right turn here. Correct?
Yes.
Again, you are at a T point.
Okay, sir.
What is the T point? Again, it is saying to check what? C is greater than B or not?
C is greater than B. Yes, sir. It's greater.
Please
Hello?
mute. Don't say hello, please mute.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Pranjali, tell me. Pranjali?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes.
So you are here, C is greater than B or not?
Yes, sir. It's greater.
So yes path you will take, so left path you are taking and you are reaching here. What did you get?
X is equals to C.
What X you are supposed to find? It could be the chow mein, momos or chaat, right? So, so C value is here. What is the C value? 7. 7 is the middle one, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you got the middle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear. But there is a two conditions, same. C is greater than B. Here also and left side also.
So that is what I'm going to take. I'm going to take no numbers now. Because based on number you are getting two condition, right?
Yes.
So now you are going to take the decision. You will tell me where to go.
Okay,
You
sir.
will tell me where to go. What do you want? Do you want to go right or left here? This one is right, this one is left.
So right.
Right. Means you already told me that A is not greater than B, which means B is greater than A, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you took this term, it means B is greater than A. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. It's
At
clear.
this place, you tell me which term you want to take. So this is clear. Okay. So this condition from here, I got this condition. So you need to keep this condition alive. Now at this point, what do you want to tell? So say left, right.
Sorry, sir.
From here, where do you would you like to go? Left or right?
Left.
Okay, so you are saying that I will go here. This means C is greater than A. Is that clear? C is greater than B.
Okay, sir.
C is greater than B, right?
Yes, sir.
So X is equal to this is your destination and you reach to X. This is equal to B. Now, based on your condition, C is greater than B and B is greater than A. I can write directly here, right?
Yes, sir.
So this means if I am getting B, which is the middle one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's crystal clear.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Okay, next question is, someone is after class, we all discuss students. Okay, so we are here and I think Pranjali's question is done. Arun Joseph, sorry. And please unmute yourself, Arun.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Arun.
Sir, I want to just ask, where can I get the link, sir,
Which link?
for the class meeting, sir?
So you, how did you reach here?
I got it from my friend, sir.
So you should have asked to your friend, right? Okay, so this
Sir.
is the portal, right? You are having this portal?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, and this is course introduction, and you are going to the general instructions. Okay. Now, if you click here, it will go to the redirect you to the grading pattern for this semester.
Yes, sir.
If you click here, it is going to the calendar for the city. So you will verify yourself and you need to add yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for example, if I go here, I don't want to show more than this. So, okay, leave it. So here you are supposed to add this calendar to your email ID, sync with your email ID. After that, you will get the link, and this is how the link, this is how it looks like. So your calendar will be shown up, and there are many things. Okay, so you will go to the options and you will find that which one is for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you will get the notification also if you add into your calendar. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, next question is again Rajdeepak.
Hello.
Yes, Rajdeepak.
Sir, can I ask conceptual doubts also?
Yeah.
Sir, in lecture, sir telling us how to deal with fractional values. So he tells two options. Either we use float or we use multiply by 100 and printf that thing. Sir, I understand multiplication part, but I don't get a float funds. Float. How to use float?
Okay,
What is this?
Suppose you are trying to find the either average marks of boys are greater or average marks of girls are greater. Okay.
Okay.
So how will you get the grade? So suppose AVG boy, AVG B represents the average marks of boys. Okay. So this is I am taking two variables. What I am taking?
Two variables.
So first variable is AB, which is average marks of boys. Average marks of tell me what will be the value of this? It will be integer or float?
Integer, sir.
How do you know? If I say that 56 and 90 divided by 5. Suppose, let's take 90, I will divide 30 plus 30 plus 30, and I will divide this 28 plus 28, right?
Okay.
So 5 student and 5 students marks is this divided by 5. It will come fraction, right?
Okay.
So this is not the integer type. This is now the float data type, correct?
Okay.
Float means what? Fractions.
Okay. It means float means just fraction, nothing else.
Nothing else. So now AB will be a float. Similarly, GB will be a float, right?
Okay.
You want to store into the max. Okay. So you need to compare this AB directly with GB. Is that right?
Okay.
Even if you multiply with 100, then the same value you will get, same result, right? When you compare.
Okay, sir.
So now max would be integer if you multiply with 100. Otherwise, it will also be a float, right? So
yes,
the main concept here is that you need to make everything in one data type. So if you want to use integer, then multiply with 100. Otherwise, go with the float. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So no issues with the float or integer. Just how you want to deal with.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So next question, please. Anyone? Okay. If questions are done, then we can do some talking. Okay. Let's have some chat. Okay. Suveda, are you there? Okay. Let me allow you to. Hi, Suveda, are you there? Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
Hey, hi, Abhinav. Where are you from?
I'm from Noida, sir, UP.
Okay, so what are you completely pursuing with this degree? Or this is a solely degree?
Sorry?
So what are you pursuing apart from this degree? Are you doing?
Yeah, I'm working.
Okay, you are a working professional, right?
Yes, I have done, yeah, I've done 12th, my 12th too.
Okay, so where are you working?
I'm working in Kotak Bank.
Kotak Bank.
Right, sir. As
Okay.
a assistant manager.
Okay, it's good. What is your purpose of joining this course?
Yeah, I want to enhance my skill.
Okay.
Yeah, for a good job.
Okay. So you have joined this time or you have earlier also joined?
No, only this time, sir.
This time. So this is your first term, right?
Yes, sir. It's my first time.
Okay. So did you go through the CT course?
Yes, sir.
How many lectures have you seen?
No, that's my first lecture, sir.
Okay. How did
Okay,
you?
but the videos. Okay, so are you asking about the videos, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, I have six, sir. 6 videos with the 6 videos and the yeah.
So how is your experience? First
It's,
expression. First
yeah,
experience.
it's good, sir. It's good.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
So
reaching with the flow chart.
okay. So you are getting everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Abhinav. We have Pratim Badya. Pratim, yeah, tell me.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
So my question is 1.5, the first question, sir.
Okay, so 1.5. This one, right?
Yes, sir. I am asking about the flow chart, sir. This step move X to pile 2. No, sir, not that, sir. 1.5, the flow chart.
I got your point. I need to make myself a little bit arrange. Okay, give me a second.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so can you see both part? Are you able to see both, or what are you looking? What is visible right
No,
now?
sir. I can see the question 12 for 4 marks. That another window is blank, sir. White just.
Okay, so blank is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
That blank is
Yeah,
important.
both are visual, sir.
Okay, now we'll be able to work 1.5 question number 1. Okay, so this is the flow chart which is saying that consider the following flow chart that calculates the sum of mathematics marks of all students in the data set.
Yes, sir.
Right?
So my question is, can I, sir, can this step that move X to pile 2, can I perform this step at the last before going to the more cards in pile 1? What I'm saying that let's
Yeah, I understood your part. You are saying that start sum conditional block,
yes,
pick the card,
yes, sir.
then add marks and then move the card.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is fine. You can do that.
Or then, sir, question number 2 in this section, sir. Question number 2. Where should I put the symbol? So if move x to pile 2, if it is the last step, then where should I put this option that at card access math score to the sum?
So what are we supposed to do? We wish to modify the flowchart to compute the sum of mathematics marks of all the assessment. Okay. So currently it is what it is calculating the maths of everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
So before that, this you are supposed to put.
Okay, sir.
Before this you are supposed to put, so that you can filter out the girls.
Okay, sir.
So before that, what will be between more cards in pile 1 and pick the card X in that can't be done, right? Between sum and more cards in the pile, right? So more card in the pile and no, after picking we can do move X to pile 2 and add. So this is what we are getting because this is given. Okay. You can
That's the third. Yes, sir.
You can
Yes,
change,
sir.
but
Option is third, but sir, I want to see how the diagram looks if we change move X to pile 2 to the last step.
So this will be this one is right. This will become sum not here. Okay, so this will be the conditional block. If there is one more card and in, okay, no in, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now pick the card.
Yes, sir.
And then check if girl or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If girl, then go to here. Add marks. Okay.
Okay.
If no, then move the card. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And after this will come. So this is below this, but in both, if it is being satisfied, then you can move the card and then you can go there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
सर जो आपने अभी जो आपने किया था अभी ये लास्ट वाला दिस साइड पे नाउ या सो ये जो आपने ऐड किया है सम गर्ल्स के बाद जो डिसीजन वाले के बाद ये हम बीच में भी रख सकते हैं ना इसको डायरेक्टली
Yeah, but your arrow should be telling the right thing. So where you are putting is not doesn't matter.
Okay.
Arrow part.
The process is okay.
So it should only go there when correct, right? So you can put anywhere you want. Okay.
Okay, it should be work only, right? So thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I think we are at the end of the session now. And if anyone has any question, can ask, or we can little bit discuss. So next person is Amar Raz. Amar. Okay, we talked with her. Aisha Sadiq, are there?
Yes, sir.
Hi Aisha, and where are you from?
Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah.
What are you pursuing?
+2 finished passed.
Okay, so +2 you are passed, right?
Yeah.
So you are slowly doing this program or any other program also?
No, I only do with this program.
Okay, super. So this is your first time or?
No, I'm foundation level.
So you joined this term or before you have cleared that?
Yeah, I'm joining September.
Okay. So even last time you did not take the computational thinking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this time what are the courses you have taken?
Found computer thinking, statistics,
Okay.
and English.
Oh, so last time you completed only stats, huh?
Yeah.
Not maths one.
Yeah.
Okay. Super. Okay, thanks, Aisha. And next person is Chetan. Are there? D. Kumar. Okay. Devishi. All D are together.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Devishi. Where are you from?
So I am from UP,
UP where?
Kanpur.
Acha. So what are you pursuing apart from this degree? This is your first time or second time?
So it's my first time and I am currently not pursuing anything.
Okay, so you have taken this program as a full-time program, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So how was your experience with the first week content?
So it was good. Like the lectures were not so boring as in the online classes that we had during the COVID,
Mhm.
and the assignments and the other things. Like we were told that the contents provided by IIT will be enough, and I think it will be enough
Okay.
because the activity sessions and the assignments, they all are like kind of solving my doubts and enhancing my knowledge. So I really think it will be enough and it will be quite fun doing this course.
Okay, super. Okay, then I think we have cleared all the doubts. If anyone has, can ask, or we can close the session.
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes, Jessica.
Sir, I want to ask whether this degree is enough for a 12th pass out student
So the
according to your view.
so logic here is that you want to get a job, right?
Right.
So this is sufficient. And even if you want to study further, then also sufficient, but you should complete in a very time manner. Okay. So job
Okay.
perspective is fine. You just if you are also doing this program as a sole program, then you should be trying to complete and do the practice, and then there in next level you will get projects and all. Then after we will provide the internship support. Then yeah, you can pursue this program and get the job. That's all. So there are many students right now pursuing this program as a sole degree program. Okay, so you are not the one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's clear.
You definitely got the job. Don't worry. After doing this is the IIT Madras, yaar.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
Pragati.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, Pragati, tell me.
Sir, if by chance we miss our live classes due to our college, I am pursuing a BBA degree also and doing this also. If sometimes I miss my live classes, so how can I do this, or is there anything recorded or something will help?
So the same calendar, where did you get this? Where you get this link for the meeting? In the below, you will check that there is a YouTube link. Okay, and that will be working.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone. I guess.
Sir. Yeah, actually, hi.
Yeah.
Abhinav again.
Yeah, Abhinav, tell me.
Yeah, actually, sir, मेरे को एक चीज पता करना था. I can speak in Hindi, right, sir?
Yeah, you can speak better if you try to speak English so that everyone can understand. They will not
Okay,
get
sir.
bored.
So in the activity questions are very easy, as I check in every subject. And when you got the grade questions, this is another level. So why don't you put
there is one other level, which is practice assignment. Without doing practice assignment, if you jump to the graded assignment, you will find the same kind of thing.
Yeah, right. But yeah, in the activity question, you have to also put the high level questions, sir.
No. Activity question is just there. You did not sleep into the lecture time. Nothing else.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you are not able to solve the activity question, there is something like you did not see the lecture. Okay,
Right,
so you
sir.
should be looking to the lecture. That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Sir, I
guys.
have a doubt regarding date.
Yes,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir, please.
Sir, earlier it was 26 for qualification. Now it is showing on our dashboard. It is 27. So which date is confirmed for that?
for what?
Really?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, earlier when we filled the form, it was 26. Now on our dashboard, it is 27 Feb for qualification exam.
When is the Sunday?
Sir, Sunday is 26.
26. I mean, you will get the admit card and everything. So don't worry. Before that, there are many processes. Okay.
It's
Thank you,
showing
sir.
26th in my dashboard right now. I can
Yeah,
see.
Jessica, you want to say something?
Sir, I want to know what is paradox.
Paradox, I cannot comment. I mean, you should contact to the IITM support, or Kodai is the heading person.
Does this word related to our course?
No, it's not related to course. It's just the fun program.
Oh, fun program.
Okay. So if you go and follow the LinkedIn, you will find what happens in Paradox. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Annual
everyone.
fest of BS degree.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, everyone. It was a nice.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you,
Sir,
everyone.
Thank you,
Close
sir.
this.
All we do better. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Can you hear me, sir? Sir,
I can hear you.
sir, in calendar it is mentioned to 12:30 to 2:30. What is the timing, sir?
What is mentioned?
Sir, in calendar week 1 content is released in 12:30 to 2:30, sir. But you are conducting it this time.
Where it is mentioned and how did
In
you
calendar,
come?
calendar.
If it is mentioned in 1:30, then how did you come here in this time?
I saw in YouTube live, sir. So that only I came here.
I really did not get what are you trying to say.
Sir, I opened the calendar, sir. It is in CT. It is mentioned that the timing 12:30 to 2:30, sir, 2:30 p.m. But it is live at this time. Can you able to understand me?
I'm able to understand you, but I'm not able to understand why everyone has joined properly and you have only confusion. Now you understood me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, let me check now. Your RAM only one time is mentioned. How can you say that? This is the calendar, right? And this is today is only one session. Where are you getting that 12?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening, sir.
So there are many sessions. I mean, only one session is here. Yes,
Can
hello.
you hear the second session?
Yes, sir. I have a solution to his problem. Actually, his like Google account settings time zone is different than Indian Standard Time Zone. He
Oh.
has to go to settings, then change his time zone to Indian Standard Time Zone.
Okay.
That's why he is getting it like time in his time zone, which is enabled in his Google account. So go to settings and change this time zone to Indian Standard Time Zone, then you will get the notifications according to Indian time.
So, okay, everyone, I'm leaving the meeting and you can leave also. This will be closed by itself. Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.